The HyperX Cloud 2 headset uses a specialized USB sound card dongle to deliver 7.1 virtual surround sound. However, this USB connection can sometimes cause problems with PC systems. Common connection issues include the device not being detected by your computer, USB device not recognized errors appearing in Windows, and intermittent disconnections during use. The first troubleshooting step is to try different USB ports on your computer. Use USB 2.0 ports when possible, and always prefer the rear motherboard ports over front panel connections. Next, you need to adjust power management settings in Device Manager. Open Device Manager, find Universal Serial Bus Controllers, and access the properties of each USB root hub. In the USB root hub properties, go to the Power Management tab and uncheck the option that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This prevents Windows from automatically disconnecting your headset. Finally, disable USB Selective Suspend in Windows Power Options. This setting can cause USB devices to disconnect unexpectedly. Go to Power Options, then Advanced Settings, and set USB Selective Suspend to Disabled. These three solutions address the most common USB connection issues with the HyperX Cloud 2. By using proper USB ports, disabling power management, and turning off Selective Suspend, you can ensure a stable connection for your headset. When your HyperX Cloud 2 has audio output or microphone problems, the solution usually involves updating or reinstalling drivers and configuring Windows audio settings properly. The first method is automatic driver updating through Device Manager. This is the quickest approach and works for most users. If automatic updates don't work, manual driver installation is more reliable. Download the latest drivers from HyperX's official website, uninstall existing drivers, restart your PC, then install the new drivers as administrator. Proper Windows audio configuration is crucial. Set HyperX Cloud 2 as your default device and configure the format to 16-bit, 48,000 Hz DVD quality for optimal performance. Disabling audio enhancements often resolves audio quality issues. Windows audio enhancements can interfere with the HyperX's built-in audio processing, causing distortion or connectivity problems. Finally, be aware of third-party software conflicts. Streaming software, RGB management tools, and other audio applications can interfere with your HyperX Cloud 2. Try closing these programs if you experience persistent issues. These driver and audio configuration solutions resolve most HyperX Cloud 2 audio problems. Start with automatic driver updates, then try manual installation if needed, and always check your Windows audio settings for optimal performance.